on the VRX400 for sale. As you can see, beautiful little bike. Bought it for my dad from Japan. Well, must be 20 years ago now, because, you know, 70 odd and wanted a light bike. Very rare, these things, a VRX with the original exhaust as well. It's like a proper calf racer sort of style, or flat tracker, whatever you want to say, flat tracker style. But beautiful little 400cc twin carb as well. More modern bikes obviously won, but just a bit dusty, because obviously it's been in my showroom for a long time up our house. A very unusual bike. Got all the Barani style rims, alley rims, as you can see, which most of the Jap bikes obviously would have had chrome, but this was sort of the in thing at the time. Also, the same motor, basically, sleeve down VT600, which, as you know, is a bike they built for many years. Very reliable, very good bike, but chain drive, and as you can see, very good condition, immaculate condition, to be honest with you. You can see it when I've been riding it. This is your 30, 50, 70, you know, your limit 7.5 to 8, which obviously that's pretty high revving for a V-twin. But cracking bike, all the original mirrors. It's pretty well standard, apart from the bars. I've fitted some lower bars and a little rack for as a carrier. But smashed the number plate getting it out. Shocks want a good going over, which isn't a problem at all. That can be done. And apart from that, pretty cool machine. If you're interested in this bike, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. The tank's been fully resprayed, will be proofed as well. So you've got a bike that's pretty well future-proof. The ethanol fuel won't attack the tank, unlike most bikes, and it does cost you 400 or 500 quid to have that done as well. But as you can see, beautiful little bike. I did enjoy riding it when my dad let me have it originally. Give us a call. Thank you. Customcruisers.com or customcruisers.eu. It is on that site. Thank you.